So I'm happy to give you some information about the Roamobi project. Over the last 6 years, a group of technology inventors have come together and created a global mobile overlay network. Basically, that's a mobile network within the existing mobile networks. And the unique features of this network is that we have one global HLR. Basically, that's the nucleus, the main database of a mobile network. But we've created a global, intelligent HLR, which enables us to do some very special things in mobile, particularly when crossing borders. Traditionally, when a user of a SIM card crosses borders, they have a lot of issues, some of which are your short codes stop working, it becomes very expensive, and basically you go into a black hole in the sense that your own operator basically loses control of your service. And in our opinion, that's not a satisfactory situation for the modern world where people are travelling all the time. So there is a need for a global mobile service that is uniform and that provides a low-cost solution everywhere. So this is how we created the Roamobi platform and the Roamobi SIM card. And this is not a normal SIM card. Again, it's very unique. What makes it very unique is that we have developed a technology called RTMIS, RTMIS, which basically stands for Real-Time Multiple IMSI Switching. Now, every SIM card has got an identity, and that's called an IMSI. Basically, each mobile operator in the world has its own IMSI. Now, what we've created, and it's now patent pending, is an ability to push an IMSI over the air in real time and to change your identity when you're travelling. And that's basically the summary of the Roamobi solution. Now, this has got some very interesting benefits to any traveller. One of which is that your SIM card can take on a local identity in the country to which you travel. In other words, you're a businessman and you're visiting Spain, and when you arrive in Spain, we are able to send a Spanish identity onto the SIM card, which would then give you a local Spanish identity, which would be really beneficial in that it saves a lot of money, and it also ensures that you have exactly the same service in Spain as you do everywhere else. Your short codes are the same, checking your voicemail is as simple as it is in your home network. We can also provide multiple numbers so that you could present a Spanish number when you're calling in Spain, so that your business contacts can call you back on a Spanish number. And that can be temporary or permanent. If you visit Spain a lot, you can have a permanent Spanish number. This would apply, at the moment we're supporting 60 countries. So if you're taking a business trip to China, for example, you can have a temporary or a permanent Chinese number, or a temporary or permanent Russian number, for example. And this is constantly being upgraded over the air. There are many countries that presently are very, very expensive when travelling, such as the United States. Most visitors to the United States will pay a surcharge of over $1 a minute. If you visit places like India, you can be paying over $2 a minute in surcharges. So although within Europe, roaming rates have been standardised and quite dramatically reduced, it's still approximately 10 times more expensive to use your mobile when travelling as using a local fixed line. So one of the visions of Roamobi is that we can create a one world tariff eventually, and that crossing borders would no longer become a object of high cost. So that's what I'm trying to explain today. We've also, for the tourist market, we've managed to produce some micro size handsets which were designed specifically for this purpose. They're also very easy to customize for sponsors or advertisers, etc. And this is smaller than a credit card, so it fits ideally into a package which could be provided for local visitors. In the travel market, you could purchase this as a pack with a SIM card before you go on holiday, for example. And the suggested retail cost of this is, in the pack, which includes some airtime, would be about $50. And considering the cost of roaming, you could easily save $50 in one short trip or one holiday. So it's not just for business users, also for an average family, maybe just taking a couple of holidays a year. It's a very practical solution.